Domain name makes the internet easy to use for everyone. Without domain names, you will have to enter long strings of numbers called IP addresses to visit any website. Domain names solves this problem by allowing websites to choose addresses using easy to remember words. For example, google.com, facebook.com, twitter.com. Till now, we are used to with domain names ending with .com, .in, .org, etc., which are known as TLDs, which means top level domains. We buy names from registrars like GoDaddy, BigRock, Namecheap, and we feel like we own those names, while in reality, we are just renting them. If we fail to renew, we lose it. Also, we are under jurisdiction of whoever operates those TLDs, like .com is operated by VeriSign and remains under ultimate jurisdiction of US law. This control of one centralized entity raises lots of concerns about censorship, biasness, hacking, and corruption. We've already seen big social media platforms already playing dirty by suppressing voice of one ideology while closing eyes over others. In domain industry, Handshake may solve this issue. Handshake is a decentralized, permissionless naming protocol. Services on the internet have become more centralized beginning in the 90s, but do not fulfill the original decentralized vision of the internet. Email became Gmail, Usenet became Reddit, blog replies became Facebook and Medium, pingback becomes Twitter. Centralization exists because there is a need to manage spam, griefing, and Sybil attacks. Previous decentralized systems largely stopped working due to spam. Internet services and platforms may benefit from building on top of decentralized systems, which is specifically designed for resilience against Sybil attacks. Handshake uses a coin system for name registration. The Handshake coin HNS is the mechanism by which participants transfers, registers, and updates TLD names. Anyone can initiate auctions for their desired top-level domain names and place bids using HNS coins. You can also trade HNS coins for name you already hold for value suits you best. Another cool thing about HNS is it supports IDN, internationalized domain names, which enable people around the world to use domain names in their local languages. You can also own emojis on Handshake. They are rendered from Punycode. Like Punycode for Namaste emoji becomes XN-N48H and Punycode for Indian flag becomes XN-M77HKA. Handshake allocated the majority of its initial coins towards free and open source software community with absolutely no obligation attached, as it is this community most relevant with decentralized softwares and tools. Bitcoin's value is derived from it being a costly store of value. Handshake's value is derived from its network of users. Metcalfe's law asserts that an increase in user base increases the value of the network exponentially. This means that allocation of value to potential developers and users of this system be a benefit to everyone, with network effect derived benefiting all users. You can start participating in auction by downloading Bob Wallet on your computer or use cloud service like Namebase. Links are given in description. I personally prefer Namebase just because in Handshake, TLD owners needs to submit biennial heartbeat transaction to prove they still have access to their names. If they do not submit the renew transaction, then name will revert to the auctionable names pile. However, if you use Namebase, you do not need to remember to perform these transactions because their system does this automatically for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon with another cool video. Until then, happy naming.